From the Arkansas Storm Team, weather to plan your day with meteorologist Carmen Rose.
Well, good morning. We are warm out there. We are tracking some rain and some storms, and I know we are calm right now in the capital city, but it will not be long before we deal with more of those storms. We're particularly watching a line that's moving up out of Texas, so southwest Arkansas is about to get hammered first, and then we'll start to see that move farther northeast closer to us. It is 66 degrees. You can see those clouds out there right now that sun has risen. Here's a look at satellite and radar. We do have some storms along 40 just toward our east. We also have some storms that are moving in closer to Jonesboro and outside of Mountain View. Some stronger storms heading into Helena, West Helena. What we're watching now in particular is toward our southwest. So I'm going to zoom into that in just a second here. Heavy rain is moving into Lone Oak. That's going to continue to move farther north and east away from I-40. Jacksonville, you have some rain for you all. Cabot, you're going to be dealing with that too. Lightning and thunder with these storms, obviously, but also some hail, some damaging wind. And we are watching this organized and powerful line of storms into Texas. So what's into West Arkansas, that's actually weakened some. Not super worried about that line from Fayetteville down through Mena. However, this is worth watching. We already have a tornado warning outside of Texarkana. This is tracking northeast at 65 miles per hour. This is a good clip here that these are moving. So this is going to be closer to the Queen right around 7:26. So in the next 10 to 15 minutes, this is going to pick up for you all. Ashdown closer to 7:39. Texarkana 7:45-ish. Hope about a quarter after 8 a.m. So this is really going to be picking up here anywhere from, I'd say, 7:30 to 8 a.m. That's going to be moving into southwest Arkansas. So Texarkana, Hope, heads up. We're about to be dealing with some of that heavy rain, gusty wind, perhaps even a little bit of rotation with some of these storms that moves up out of Texas. Heavy rain into Charlotte, a little bit of lightning just outside of Cave City heading into Strawberry, Hopewell, Black Rock, all dealing with some of that very heavy rain too, thunder and lightning. Our tornado risk is significant. Where the red and purple is where it is higher. So that includes much of central and east Arkansas. It is highest into far southeast Arkansas, so probably closer to Lake Village. These black lines, that basically means that's significant risk. We're at 15% here in Little Rock, 30% into southeast Arkansas. Basically anything above 1% is significant. Even though it doesn't seem that significant, doesn't sound that significant, it is. So we do have that risk for tornadoes, although hail and wind, those are the higher threats here. 73 for that high temperature. We're already into those upper 60s, looking a bit ominous there with our tower cam. It's 100% shot for those showers and storms that will pick up. Again, we're talking about 7:30, 8 a.m. into far southwest Arkansas. That includes you, Texarkana. That's going to be heading up into Arkadelphia and then eventually here into Little Rock closer to 9 a.m. So that's when you're going to start to hear that thunder and that lightning pop off. Heavy rain moving through. We're talking about not safe on those roadways, not safe to be outside later this morning. By noon, we may actually get a lull in activity, but we only need one cell to produce any sort of rotation to get a funnel or a tornado. That will continue into those late afternoon hours. Notice though how West Arkansas, they're going to clear out first. We'll still be dealing with some of those storms by 3, 4, even 5 o'clock on your ride home for central and east Arkansas. And then look as we fast forward until 8 p.m. I think that threat will be over for the most part. Tonight will be cloudy, but it will be breezy and it will be much colder. So this just shows you how strong that cold front is. We go from the 70s today to the 40s tonight and 50s for tomorrow. Partly sunny and breezy. Your 7-day forecast, we have to make it through today. Now it will be a daytime event through the morning with that second round this afternoon, clearing out later this evening. Then we can breathe a sigh of relief by tonight for the end of St. Patrick's Day. More sunshine, cooler temps as we head into the end of the work week and the start of this weekend. Ashley.
All right. Thanks, Carmen.